Hi, this is Andy at Infraready, just giving you a demo of one of our latest builds that we've been requested to put together. So it's a device for just looking at visual representation of sound. So it's great for pairing with your camcorder, full spectrum camcorder, or putting next to your EVP. And obviously when you can see the bars on this, if you're recording it next to an EVP recorder, you can match your footage and actually see if your this device picks up a sound as well. So I'll just give you an overview of the device. So it's quite simple to use. It's got an on and off switch, and in the back of the unit it's got 4 AA cells that sit in a holder. So they sit at the back. So on the front of the unit we've got on and off. So when the unit powers up, you can see that it's picking up my voice as I speak. If we also put the device down, you can also, you see it's quite sensitive to small sounds. So pin drop. Then move on to this little button on the side. So I'll try and explain this the visual readout on the bar. So if I hold this button down and keep it depressed, it'll enter the settings menu. So when I do that, you'll see these 2 bars at the top stay lit. I let go and then I get a choice, if I keep pressing it, to alter the sensitivity. So if I keep going through that, you'll see at the bottom, that's when it's the most sensitive. So if I change it now to the top bar, I'll say get up to the top bar, just that one, and I hold it, you'll then see the bar drop down onto a second setting option, and you've got one of 2 choices again. So basically this is peak hold off or peak hold on. So I'll leave peak hold on, and then I hold it down to confirm the settings, and now when I talk you'll see it's far less sensitive, but it's holding the peak bar. So hello, hello. So we'll go into the device again once more, hold down the setting button. So we've entered the setting mode. Right, I've selected, let's select midway, hold it down, then drops onto a second setting. I'll turn peak hold off now, hold it down again to confirm, let go. So now you'll see that the device is a little bit more sensitive than before. Hello, hello, but there's no peak hold. So I'll just hold that down again. So this time I'll increase the sensitivity a little bit further, let go, and then I'll put, let's say this toggles each time I press it. You'll see it's confirming the press, and then that's peak hold on. Hold it down, that's confirmed. Hello, hello, hello. Then once more, hold it down, enter the settings menu, we'll put it on the most sensitive now. Hold it down, we'll leave peak hold on, hold it down to confirm. Hello, 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 hello. So you can see that's far more sensitive, and even when I whisper, it's actually going up to the top of the unit, to the top of the AV bars. Okay, thanks for looking. Appreciate if you could share, subscribe, like, all the usual. You can find this new project, this device, on our website over at infraready.co.uk. So for those of you that don't know, we're an online ghost hunting equipment specialist in the UK. All of the equipment's available at our website, which is links there, infraready.co.uk. Thanks for watching.